Do you need a work-from-home job that doesn't require any experience? I have you covered. The first company you can explore is Inbox Done. In these virtual assistant roles, you may perform email management, calendar scheduling, executive assistance, customer service, social media assistance, data entry, virtual research, and more. For these independent contracting positions, they are looking for applicants who are willing to make a long-term commitment. They are looking for people who are self-motivated and self-taught and open to constructive feedback. For these roles, you'll need an excellent internet connection, a reliable computer with working camera and microphone, and a quiet, distraction-free workspace. The starting pay rate for this position is $17 per hour, and they offer paid holidays and unlimited retention and upgrade bonuses. Inbox Done gets a 4.9 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The second company you can explore is Foundever, and they are hiring work-from-home insurance customer service representatives. In this position, you'll handle inbound service calls and you'll drive customer satisfaction through voice, chat, and/or email communications. For this position, you must live in one of the following states, have excellent communication skills, a high school diploma or GED, and you must pass a background check and drug screen. This is a full-time position with a pay rate of $15 to $16 per hour, 100% paid training and benefits. Foundever gets a 3.8 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The third company you can explore is Conduent, and they are hiring a remote data entry associate in Lexington, Kentucky. For this position, you should have strong attention to detail. You should be comfortable working in a high-volume work environment. You should be able to type 45 words per minute, and previous data entry experience is preferred but not required. For this position, you must be able to pass a criminal background check and drug screen, and you must have a stable internet connection and a high school diploma or GED. This is a full-time position that pays $15 per hour, and it does come with benefits. Conduent gets a 3.1 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fourth company you can explore is Back Office Betties, and they are hiring a full-time virtual receptionist / legal intake specialist. No experience is needed for this position. However, you must reside in Arizona, Nevada, Pennsylvania, Texas, or Florida. You must be able to work between the hours of 7:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You must have a quiet home office space and a fast, hardwired internet connection. The pay rate for this position is $16 for English-only speakers and $18 an hour for bilingual English-Spanish speakers. Back Office Betties provides a wide variety of benefits, including all of the equipment you need to do your job. Back Office Betties gets a 4.2 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fifth and final company you can explore is Alorca. They are hiring a work-from-home healthcare customer service representative. For this position, you'll need a high school diploma or GED. Customer service experience is a plus but not required. You should have excellent communication skills and exceptional listening and comprehension skills. You must also live in one of the following states. This is a full-time position that pays $15 per hour, and it does come with a wide variety of benefits. Alorca gets a 3.2 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. For more work-from-home jobs that don't require any experience, head on over to theworkathomewoman.com.